The 5 Keys to Financial Freedom, the second and third laws of gold. The second law. Gold laboreth diligently and contentedly for the wise owner who finds for it profitable employment, multiplying even as the flocks of the field. The second law of gold, as discussed by George Clason in his book The Richest Man in Babylon, is a principle that emphasizes the importance of finding productive ways to use one's resources, in this case, one's money. According to this law, money, as a valuable and sought-after asset, will work as a vehicle to create more wealth for those who have learned to invest it in profitable ventures. This is a fundamental principle for the continuous multiplication of resources until they become truly abundant. Getting a better paying job or working multiple jobs for that matter are not necessary prerequisites for income multiplication. In fact, these two in themselves do not guarantee financial growth to the point that you have enough to spare for the future. Additional means of income merely serve as a buffer to your financial problems in the meantime. With that alone, you will always come to discover that your wants continue to threaten to outstrip your income, regardless of its volume. Common human experience teaches that resources are limited but human wants are not. Thus, it behooves you to design a mechanism that puts your earnings far ahead of your wants or needs. This mechanism's core framework is set by the second law. But first, there must be gold before we devise fields wherein they labor to produce more. Hence the first reason you need to learn how to keep a certain percentage of your current income aside, at least 10%, saving it up for a period of at least 1 year, uninterrupted and untouched, and then employ your money in profitable trades and investment opportunities. This decision is the cornerstone piece in the edifice of investment wisdom. The second law of gold also emphasizes the importance of being diligent and deliberate in one's efforts to grow and protect one's wealth. This means being proactive and actively managing one's investments and finances, rather than simply hoping for the best. It also means being disciplined and consistent in one's saving and investing habits, while also putting maximum effort into learning and growing as an investor. Save first, invest after. You might recall that the first law of gold states, "Gold cometh gladly and in increasing quantity to any man who will put by not less than 1/10 of his earnings to create an estate for his future and that of his family." This implies that practicing the principle of saving at least 10% of your income puts you well on your way to financial freedom. The second law is just as simple as the first: use your savings to generate more income for yourself. You might ask, but how do I do that? This could take the form of investing in a rental property, starting a business, or even investing in stocks or other securities. By finding ways to put your money to work, you can create a steady stream of income that can help you achieve your financial goals and provide for yourself and your family. Being proactive in identifying projects and avenues for resource multiplication is a fundamental tenet of the second law. Therefore, your job is to find the right opportunities to invest while you are still saving up the funds, i.e., vehicles for financial freedom. It is mandatory that you look for investments that are likely to generate a good return. You must nevertheless keep in mind that these investments must be in line with your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't be greedy in this process. Don't fall into the traps of scammers and those who overpromise. You should stay away from opportunities that promise quick and easy returns. Legitimately quick and easy seldom exist. These kinds of peddlers only want your capital. They are nest robbers. Be willing to put in the time and effort to research and evaluate different investment options and to seek the guidance of trusted advisors when necessary. This is where the third law of gold comes in. We will treat this soon. The principle of compound interest. When you obey the second law, you will be practicing a concept called compound interest. Compound interest refers to the idea that the value of an investment can grow over time as the interest earned on it is reinvested. By finding investments that offer a high rate of return, you can generate significant wealth over time, even if you only have a small amount of money to start with. This is because the returns on your investments will compound, or grow, over time, often exponentially. To succeed at compounding your money, you need to invest first and always in your own education and skills. By learning new skills and increasing one's knowledge and expertise, people can become more valuable in the workplace and command higher salaries. This in turn will increase your capacity to save more money, which can then be put back to work according to the second law of gold. Have a long-term view. In order to consolidate your grasp on the second law and make sure you maximize its benefit, it is essential that we put it in the proper context of time. It is often more prudent to take a long-term perspective and concentrate on creating wealth gradually through constant and disciplined saving and investing rather than trying to get rich quickly through risky or speculative ventures. In his book, The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor, supports this strategy. Furthermore, It is also important to be aware of the risks associated with different investments and to diversify your portfolio in order to minimize those risks. Mastering the balancing act between investment sourcing, portfolio diversification, and risk management is an essential tool for guaranteeing lasting financial success. The third law. The third law of gold highlights the importance of seeking out financial advisors and mentors who can provide guidance and help the investor make informed decisions about their investments. It states, "Gold clingeth to the protection of the cautious owner who invests it under the advice of men wise in handling it." By working with experts who have a wealth of knowledge and experience, individuals can gain valuable insights and ideas regarding how to grow their wealth over time. The third law emphasizes the significance of consulting smart, diligent investors who have integrity and a proven track record of success in their investments and financial journeys when it comes to creating, investing, and managing your own wealth. Those who seek out wise counsel will be in a better position to protect and grow their wealth, particularly when it comes to investing and acquiring assets. If you are still in your teens, 20s, or 30s, there are very few and very likely scarce men and women in your environment who have a proven investment track record. This law states that you must only consider people of this caliber as guides on your investment journey. Investing can be complex, thus, it is important to have a good understanding of the various risks and opportunities associated with different types of investments. Asking experts who have the necessary training and experience in asset and money management for their guidance elevates you to a position where you are shielded from the difficulties of choppy financial waters. You don't have to, and shouldn't, do it all by yourself. You need all the help you can get along the way. Yes, consult books and articles, listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and watch videos, but find a mentor to get tips and advice to help you maximize your chances of success in your investment journey. Overall, the second and third laws of gold are a powerful reminder of the importance of finding productive ways to invest and grow one's wealth. By carefully evaluating different investment opportunities, investing in your own education and skills, taking advice from investment professionals and people with a track record of success, and being patient and disciplined in your financial choices, you can put your gold to work and build a strong financial future for yourself and your family. Whether you are looking to create a comfortable retirement, fund your children's education, purchase a new home or a fancy ride, or simply achieve financial independence, living by these laws can provide valuable guidance and help you reach your goals. Thank you for watching. We hope we were able to help you with this information. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more educative, entertaining videos like this one. See you later.